Alright, we got LG and Marco. Y'all ever flown? You've flown in a helicopter, right?
No, sir.
You haven't?
I got to with you.
With me?
It's been a while.
Been a while.
I'm pumped. I've been waiting for this for a long time.
It's been so long, I don't even remember flying you around.
I was about 40 pounds and about 4 foot tall, probably.
Yeah, I remember that. We'll up here and hover a minute, make sure nothing's going to fly off. Like we're good here, huh?
You ever had anything fly off?
Nope, nothing flew off. It's still flying. Yep, just remember watch the rotor blades. If somebody pops around off in the rotor blades, they'll probably get pretty festive. So, we don't need that. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. 4's over the other side of the white post. See that?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so we'll go down there, let's shoot them in the face, and then we'll turn around and shoot them in the ass, okay? Alright.
New mag.
Mag change.
Mag change.
Alright, everybody up?
We're ready to rock.
Here we go. Let's see if we can get a hit on all of them this time. Good hit. Good hit. Good hit. One more. Oh, there we go. I think the back seat got Marco got it for you.
He got it.
Oh, good job.
Got him on a barely.
Barely. I mean, we were.
Marco got him immediately.
Go shoot them Four Stooges again.
Let's do it. Yeah, I was a little new. I was like, maybe I hope I don't get sick, but I feel great.
Yeah, no, you're good.
I'll throw up when I get to the truck.
No, if you haven't got sick now, you won't get sick. Alright, here we go.
Oh, of course.
Mic change. Alright, we'll whoop around, come around, take 2.
I swear, when we hit there, it's 1 bullet left.
Supposed to be able to tell the weight of your gun with how many bullets you got left.
Get that with experience.
Yeah.
It's been too damn long.
Alright, here we go. Let's get 4 hits. Dang it. There you go. One more.
Oh, nice shots.
Very good.
Just stop sticking my damn head out so far. I'm like, yeah, I feel like I'm about ready to pop out.
That's the best way to shoot. The farther you lean out over that foot,
oh, it works way better.
It works way better. You got a lot more left and right. There you go. Good hits.
No.
Oh, man.
Damn it.
There you go. Keep coming. Oh, the wind's blowing me around. Oh, get her, Margo. There you go. Good hit. Here's competition. Somebody, y'all both got fresh mags. One of you gonna shoot at a time. The other one's gonna count out loud, so we can call bullshit if you're not counting right. And
you go first, Mark.
And so whoever gets the most hits wins.
Damn it.
Alright, here we go.
1, 2,
good job.
3. I like this one. You can see them. Shit.
At the top. Yeah, you got it.
4.
Yeah, I call it a hit.
That's off the top.
Yeah, top, but it's a hit. It's a hit.
Wow. 6.
Ah, good job.
Nice.
Alright, I did forget to tell you, you do have to shoot at the target. You can't skip the target.
Okay.
So if you skip a target, you lose a hit.
Fair enough.
I thought you was going to skip that last one.
He got it at the very end.
Yeah, he got it at the end. I'm going to make a nice little easy LG turnaround.
Oh, I'm good, brother. I want you to go all out. I want to throw up.
I don't want you throwing up.
It don't bother me at all. I'll tell you, you can land real fast.
Yeah. Back on.
What, 6, right?
Yeah.
7. Shit.
Wear it out, man.
Wear it out.
There you go.
9.
You can keep going. Don't think y'all shoot them all.
10. Is that 10? 10. I heard that. I'm out.
You're out? Alright, 10. That's the number. It's beatable. Alright, you can't stop and throw up. You gotta go.
Man, not today. 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn, shit.
He's off to the start.
5, 6, 7. 8, 9. Helps a hell of a lot when you lean out a little bit.
Yeah, it does.
10, 11, 12. Shit.
Yeah.
13, 14, 15, 14.
Yeah, 14.
15, 16, 17.
17. I got 18. Wow.
Oh shit, Greg. Not too bad.
That's pretty
Not too
good.
bad.
That's pretty good. Alright. Get this car. Let's get the fat girlfriend in the front seat. In-laws in the back. Get the in-laws in the back. Ooh.
I heard that bang.
I heard it too.
I like a shot. That's a good sound.
Yeah. Yeah, that instant gratification.
That's louder than that. That's louder than you think.
You wouldn't think you could hear it in the helicopter
Yeah.
like you can, but you sure can.
You can't be like, I hit it. You'll hear it.
Yeah. I bet you we'll get them bad guys better this time than we did when we started, will you bet?
I sure hope so.
I hope so too. If not, we'll stop what you throw up on.
Yeah, it might not come out. I don't know.
Good hit. Good job. That was good.
That was much better.
Normally I'd say let's go back because that was lucky, but I'm gonna just ease on around here. Good job.
Man, that's fun as hell. I ain't gonna lie. I'll throw up for this any day. Got me good. Serious, when you start looking around a little too much, get you. Didn't throw up yet.
You didn't throw up?
No. Oh no.
You just gagged?
I didn't even gag.
You just felt like shit?
I just felt like it.
Oh man.
I can't be a pussy. I can't throw. I got holding in.
Oh man.
Not today.
Not
yet.
today. Not
Well,
today.
I'm not gonna say not today. Not yet.
We're about done. You're gonna make it. I'm gonna take it easy on you.
Oh no, I want you to go all out. I'm just not gonna look at the every damn thing.
I just don't want you to throw up on Marco.
Oh
No
man,
kidding, right?
I'll throw up my sweater.
I've had that before where some guys, like military guys and front guys throwing up, and I'm like, you're right, I'm fine. And the guy in the back covered in vomit. He's like, God damn, you ain't fine.
Man. He's like, yeah, you're fine. The guy in the back.
Yeah, he ain't fine.